Chapter 7. 7.6. What are the troubleshooting steps? I eat tacos every 5 days. Step 1 is identify the problem. 2, establish a theory of probable cause. 3, test the theory. 4, establish a plan of action. And if applicable, implement preventive measures. 5, verify full system functionality. And finally, 6, documentation. Document. Let's see what we already know. True or false? Mobile devices are more likely than desktop computers to be exposed to harmful materials and situations. Use ammonia or alcohol to clean touchscreens on mobile devices. False, because there is an oleophobic coating or waterproof, fingerprint-resistant coating that slowly does get removed over time, but using those chemicals is just going to completely wipe that off of there. Compressed air can be used to clean the cooling vents and fan on a laptop. True. Remember, you just want to hold that fan in place so the motor doesn't burn out. A wet cloth should be used to clean mobile device touchpads. False, we say. Submit. Correct. Questions? We already know why we do maintenance. Your mobile devices are going to get dirty because you bring them everywhere. So you're going to have to clean them. One of the most common things is the touchscreens being unresponsive or inaccurate. You need to clean those. Martin?
I know you're not supposed to use like a wet cloth, but I heard you could use distilled water to clean certain, if there's a lot of dirt.
Use distilled water
Yeah, just like a lightly moistened, slightly damp. Good? Okay, moving on. Exterior cases, we're going to wipe with a lint-free cloth. Cooling vents and I/O ports, we're going to use compressed air. Display is a soft, lint-free cloth, lightly moistened with a screen cleaner. A mild cleaning solution. Water will work as well. Now, a soft lint-free cloth, that's like a microfiber cloth, like this here, so you don't scratch the glass that's on there. Now, you just want to be careful with these because if you get dirt on it, and then that dirt could be on here and scratching that device as you're trying to clean. Good to go? Scrolling down. Preventative maintenance. We just talked about that. Scrolling down. Clean your devices. You want to back up your data to a cloud, your applications, and we talked about how to do that earlier. Update your operating system. Update your applications. Good to go? Let's go. Let's keep scrolling down, Davia. Oh, one more section. 7.7, basic troubleshooting. Scrolling down. Scrolling down. We talked about all that already. Down, 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 down. We talked about this. And here we go. Common problems and solutions. Down. All right. Click on that first one for me. This is chapter 7, right?
Yeah, 7.
Pixels on the screen are dead or not generating color. Well, maybe the power to the pixels has been cut off, so you might want to contact the manufacturer. Good to go? Let's see what else we got here. Skip that one. We're not going to do every single one. The laptop display is flickering. Go to that one. Images on the screen are not refreshing fast enough. Well, we've already seen how to adjust our display settings, so adjust that refresh rate. What converts energy from DC back to AC? an inverter so it can power that backlight. So if the inverter is damaged or malfunctioned, disassemble this display and replace that inverter. All right, scroll down. Images, the laptop does not power on. Click that one. Laptop does not power on. Could be that it's not plugged in. So plug it in. Maybe the battery's not charged. Well, charge the battery or remove and reinstall the battery. If the battery does not hold the charge, replace the battery. If an app is not loading or is unresponsive, that app or the operating system needs to be restarted. So restart that app or the entire device. All right, for other mobile devices, the touchscreen is not responsive. We already talked about that. It's going to be a common thing from users that touchscreen is dirty. So you want to clean the touchscreen. Or that touchscreen, the digitizer has shortened out due to water, damage, maybe it cracked. So you want to replace that touchscreen. Could also be that you have too many apps opened and your computer or your phone is overwhelmed. So close some apps. The user is locked out of a device. Maybe they forgot their passcode. Or Find My Phone activated remotely to lock the device. Wait a second to try it again. And if that doesn't work, use a recovery tool. All right, the laptop is powered on, but nothing's displayed on the display when you open the lid. Well, remember that cutoff switch that turns off the display? Maybe that switch is broken or dirty, so check to see how to clean that or replace that switch. Maybe the laptop has just gone to sleep, so you need to wake it up by hitting a key, waking it up, maybe hitting the power button. All right, are there any questions on Chapter 7? What's our homework for tonight? Chapter 7. We need to get what on it? 70%. All right, easy day.